Here's a 2017 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: engine auto stop start feature, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, voice activation, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Experience it for yourself today.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.